Welcome back. Now, anyone suffering from knee, back, or foot pain knows it affects every single aspect of your life.
That is why Dr. Sophie Jacob is here to tell us how she can help eliminate your pain naturally and restore your quality of life. Joining her is her patient, Joy Cragg, as well. So, ladies, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
So, doctor, let's start with you. Is it true that you can actually help eliminate people's knee pain?
I have eliminated patients' knee pain for 20 years. You know, as a chiropractor doing clinical nutrition, and I come from a very strong background of natural healing, as I am a second generation from my dad. And you know, one quote I absolutely love with Thomas Edison, he says, "The doctor of the future will give no medication, but will interest his patient in the care of the human frame, in diet, and in a cause and prevention of disease." So this is something I stand for every day in my practice. And I love to empower people by helping you getting out of pain, losing weight, and you know, giving you a chance to live your life to your fullest potential every day.
Now, and we see a lot that, you know, medicine is kind of a big thing in headlines, and people talk a lot about that. And we said at the very beginning, pain really does affect every part of your life. It affects your sleep. It affects all of these things. But how do people really benefit from the help that you can provide?
Well, when we talk about, as an example for knee pain, for an example, the way we work, you know, first of all, I address the nervous system at many angles. And as far as knee problem, the alignment of the hip, of the lower back, and the foot are of crucial importance with that. And they are all addressed with my care. And I will also use cutting-edge technology that not only makes the patient feel better, but it also will decrease their pain, their inflammation. It restores ranges of motion, and it also repair and regenerate tissues, such as your nerve, your cartilages, your bone, your tendon, and also the disc in the spine. And it's especially important for the ligaments around the knee. It also improves your strength immediately. I will also use another modality that works on the vascular system that enhance the microcirculation in your body, in your entire body, into the affected area to enhance more blood flow. So if we're talking about neuropathy, then we need more blood flow in the foot and the feet. But lower back, or if you have headaches or fibromyalgia or any other conditions, if you have knee pain, we're going to enhance the circulation over that area. So all of these technology are addressed during their care, and that will oftentimes recommend specific nutrients to speed the healing process of your condition.
Wow, so many areas of the body that you can help, and it's incredible to hear that it all can be done naturally. And so you've brought one of your lovely patients here today, Joy. We've already fallen in love with you over commercial break.
Thank you.
You're just so much fun. But will you talk a little bit about your success with Dr. Jacob and some of the benefits that you've experienced?
Okay, well, I'd love to. And my experience was that I had knee pain. All of a sudden, I was faced with knee pain, and fortunate enough, I saw an advertisement about her and called her up because I wanted to relieve the pain, of course, because it was disturbing the quality of my life. And then I went in, x-rays further, and then I started learning about her qualifications and training and her passion for people and wellness and health of them, and state-of-the-art equipment. So it was just, maybe a couple of weeks, just a few short visits. Well, the pain was completely gone from my knee and hadn't returned, so it was beneficial right off.
And as we were saying, you know, that pain does affect a lot of parts of your life. So how really did you benefit from being
Well, I think I benefited, first of all, because the pain was gone. And that always affects the quality of your life because you focus on the pain, not what you want to do. So I think that was the big thing for me. And then she set up a program and a goal to reach that would benefit me and be productive. And I certainly say it was productive.
Absolutely. Well, would you even say that Dr. Jacob's work has made you look and feel younger?
Well, let's hope so.
I'm going to answer that. Yeah, I'm answering that one, yes.
Because I'm always, you know, anti-aging, and for someone that is my age, you know, I think it's beneficial for your quest for health, and I'm always on that quest. And then finding people, you know, to come into my life that's going to help you with that. And it does make you feel better. The quality of your life's improved. So, you know, you project, I think, that wellness, and the way you feel, it just comes out.
I absolutely agree, and I think that that's a great way to put it. The quality of your life enhances when you're not thinking about that pain. You're not having to deal with it every day. So I'm sure you have a lot of great things to say and a lot of grateful feelings towards the doctor for everything that that happened during that healing process.
Oh well, yes, because I've been to probably 20 visits or so like that, and then the one thing I loved is, of course, the way she comes at it, doing it naturally, not introducing drugs to it, and her passion. I mean, not long, she's trained certainly and qualified and studied the art equipment, but her passion for people and well-being. And she's personable, she's friendly, she's professional, and her whole staff is.
Well, and she is also giving our viewers a great deal today, so I'm going to let them know about that. Doctor, that's got to feel great to hear those wonderful words from your patients. Thank you so much for coming today, ladies.
Thank you for having us.
Now, Dr. Sophie is offering a special for the first 20 callers only. You can get a health, spinal, and neurological exam for only $69. That's a $200 savings. Again, that's for the first 20 callers who call 891-2882. For more details, log on to wherehealingbegins.com.